On this video today, I'm going to show you a free traffic source that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing on Digistore24 as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is free, and the best part is that you can use it wherever you are in the world to make money. So make sure you keep on watching till the end, because I'm going to be showing you one of the best products that you can promote and a free traffic source that you can use to promote the product. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. You can join Digistore24, you can join Warrior Plus, you can join ClickBank, or any affiliate network that you know. In this case, we are going to be using Digistore24. Digistore24 is available worldwide, so wherever you are in the world, you can create an account and then find products to promote on this platform. So now once you create your accounts and log in on Digistore24, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, Marketplace. Once you click on the Marketplace, you'll find available products that you can promote to earn money from home. As you can see on your screen, these are products that you can promote to earn a commission anytime you get a sale. You can see a lot of different products that you can promote on Digistore24. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of them, and you can see the commission rate. This one, for example, you can see the commission rate is $151.84. That is the amount that you are going to earn per every sale that you get. The next one, you are going to be earning $101.84 per every sale that you get. You can see the next one, you are going to be earning $39.72 per every sale that you get. There are a lot of different products on Digistore24 that you can promote, and they have grouped them into several categories. So if you want a specific category of products, what you have to do is that you have to come right here. You can see they have a lot of different categories that you can select and then find a digital product to promote. So for example, if you want digital products, you are going to click on it. Once you click on it, you can see these are subcategories of digital products, and you can see the number of available products under each of the category. You can see animals and pets. They have about 150 different digital products that you can promote. Under betting system, they have about 47 available products that you can promote. You can see business and investment. They have about 535 available products that you can select to promote. They have a lot of different products that you can promote. As a school, you can see the subcategories and the number of available products that you can promote. If you don't want digital products, you can select a different category. You can select events and seminars. Once you click on it, you can see under events and seminars, they have a lot of different subcategories. You can see the number of available products that you can promote. As a school, you can see a whole lot of them. If you don't want events and seminars, you can come under physical data medium. You can see services. They have fashion, marketing services, any kind of category that you want, you can find it. They also have physical products. Once you click on it, they have skincare and they have supplements. So any kind of product at all that you want, you can find it on this platform to promote. Apart from that, you can also sort the products based on what you want. So when you click right here, you can see they have popular products. They have products with high earning per sale. They have products with high earning per cart visitor. You can also arrange them based on their publication date. You can sort them based on the cart conversion rate or the cancellation rate. Any way that you want to filter the products, you can do that and then find the best product that you want to promote. In this case, I already have a product in mind that I want to show you so that you can promote it to make money. It's a new product and it's getting a lot of sales. So you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see this product right here, Lean Bellies. It's a supplement that helps people to lose weight, and the best part is that it is getting a lot of sales. So when you promote it, you are likely going to get a sale. You can see the cart conversion rate is 22%. That means if you promote it to people, about 22% of those people are going to purchase it. So if you promote it to 100 people, you are going to be getting 22% of those people buying the product, and you are going to be earning a commission. You can see the commission rate is $148.36. That is the amount that you are going to earn per every sale that you get. So if you are able to get 2 sales per day, 3 sales per day, you are going to be making a lot of money. Now, before you promote the product, what you have to do is that you have to get some basic information about the product. You can click on the sales page to get the basic information. You can also click on affiliate support page to get to know the resources that the product owner has for you that you can use to promote the product. In this case, I'm not going to be using any affiliate resources, so I'm not going to click on it. I'm going to click on the sales page so that you can see the landing page of the product. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see this is the sales page of the product. This is the exact page that your potential customers are going to see before they purchase the product. When you scroll down, there are a lot of different information about the product, so you have to take the time, get to know more about the product before you promote it. You can see these are the ingredients that they use to make the product. When you scroll down, you can see more information about it. They have a lot of promises. You can see the bonuses. If your potential customers order up to 6 bottles or 3 bottles, they are entitled to 2 bonuses and it's free. You can see these are the bonuses. So you can see everything. As I scroll, you can see the bonus and you can see other details about the product. You can see everything. They have free shipping services for your customers. So this is one of the best products that you can promote. They have the product in different pricing packages. You can see they have first one, they have the second one and the third one. Any of the packages that your potential visitors can afford, they can click on it and then make a purchase. Once they make a purchase, you are going to be earning a commission. They have money back guarantee. The best part is that the number of days are many. You can see 180 days. So if your potential visitors get the product and within the 180 days they are not satisfied with it, they can return it to the seller and then get their monies back. The number of days that the product owner has given shows that the product is a genuine product and it can solve the problem of the customer. So a product like this, you can promote it. Once you promote it, people are going to trust you and then make a purchase for you to make money. You can see many other details. Now, once you have gotten to know some basic information about the product, the next step is that you have to begin promoting it. You have to find a traffic source whereby you can get people to see this landing page and then make a purchase for you to earn money. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is adpostforyou.com. This is one of the best traffic sources that you can use to promote your affiliate link for free. You are not required to pay for anything. You can see the different categories that you can post your ad. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of different categories. As you can see, other people have posted their ads on the platform. You can see many ads on the platform. The best part is that you can choose any country that you want. So you can target countries where you are likely going to get a sale. Countries like United States, United Kingdom, Australia, New Zealand, those are tier 1 countries, and if you promote your ads in those countries, you are likely going to get a sale. You can see different countries. So any country that you want, you can post your ad for free without paying anything. You can select Canada or any other country that you want. Just select any country that you trust you can get sales. Once you select the country, you can post your ads for free without paying for anything. To post an ad, you can register for an account before you post the ad, or you can post the ad without registration. In this case, I want to register so that I will have an account and then control my ads. If the ads are not getting me results, I can close it and then post another one. So it's better to register for an account and then post your ads than to post an ad without having an account. To create an account, click on registration. Once you click on it, you can enter your details and then get access to a free account. You have to enter your name, enter your password, retype your password. The mobile number is optional. You can see user type, select user, don't select company. Once that is done, enter your email address. Once you enter your email address, click right here, I'm not a robot. Once that is done, you can get access to a free account which you can use to post ads onto the platform for free. Once you create your account and log in, you can now begin posting your ads. So click right here, list for free. Once you click on list for free, the first step is that you have to select the category of your ad. So click right here. Once you click on it, you can see different categories. Select for sale because we are going to sell an item. Once that is done, you are going to select the subcategory. So click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to look for health. So scroll down and then look for health. Just scroll down, you can see health and beauty. Select that. Once that is done, you are going to enter the title for your ad. You have to write a catchy title that will get people to click on your ad and then buy the product for you to make money. So make sure you write a nice title and then paste it right here. In this case, I have my title, so let me paste it for you to see. You can see this is my title. You can see this is my title. Once you have written your title, the next step is that you are going to enter a description for your ad. So you have to write a nice description. Just write a nice description about the product. Once you write your nice description, you can paste it right here. If you cannot write, what you have to do is that you have to come right here on the product landing page. Once you come back, just highlight and copy this as your description. But if you can write a better description, make sure you write it and then paste it right here. In this case, I have my description, so let me just paste it for you to see. You can see this is my description. Once you have written your description, the next step is that you are going to write a call to action so that when people read about the product, they can then take an action for you to make money. The action that we want them to take is to click on our affiliate link and then purchase the product. That is the action that we want them to take. So we have to write a call to action. To write a call to action, just type click here to learn more about lean bellies, something like this, lean bellies. Click here to learn more about lean bellies. So you want them to click on it and then get more information about the product. So when they click on our affiliate link, they are going to be directed to the landing page of the product. Once they are directed, they'll read more about the product before they make a purchase. Now the next step is that you have to insert your affiliate link right here. So you have to come back on Digistore24. Once you come back, click on promote now. Once you click on promote now, click on copy promo link. Once you click on it, your promo link has been copied. So you have to come back. Once you come back, what you have to do is that you have to highlight your call to action. Once you highlight it, click on this icon right here. You can see, click on it. Once you click on it, you have to insert your link here. So paste your affiliate link here. Once you paste your affiliate link, you can see target. You can see open link in the same window. Open link in a new window. We want them to open it in the same window. So select that. Once that is done, click on insert. As you can see, your call to action is now linked to your affiliate link. So when they click on it to learn more about the product, they are going to be directed to the product landing page through your affiliate link. And once they make a purchase, you are going to be earning a commission, which is $148.36. That is the amount that you are going to make per every single sale that you get. Now, once that is done, you are going to enter the price. When you come back on Digistore24, you can see this is the price of the product, $190.30. So you have to enter the same amount. The currency is dollars. You can see the currency is dollars. So you have to go back and then enter the same details. So you are going to come back. Once you come back, you are going to enter 190.30. Once that is done, click right here to select the currency. It is dollars, so select that. Once that is done, you are going to upload images of the product. To get images of the product, search on Google lean bellies. Once you search for the name of the product, click on images. Once you click on it, you get more images about the product. You can see these are images about the product that you can download and then use them in your ad. So you can download any of the images that you want. In this case, I'm going to download the first one. So right click on it. Once you right click on it, select save image as. Once you click on it, you'll be able to save the image and then use it in your ad. Once you save your images, you're going to click right here to upload your images. Once you click on it, select the images. In this case, I've downloaded 2 images, so I'm going to select both of them and then click on open. Once you click on that, you can see your 2 images has been uploaded. You can upload more than 2 images, so if you want more images, you can upload them. Once that is done, you're going to scroll down. You can see country. You have to select the country that you are targeting. So when you click on it, you have to select any country that you want. In this case, I'm going to be targeting United States. So just scroll down to the bottom. You can see United States. Click on it. If you don't want United States, you can select Australia, Canada, New Zealand, United Kingdom, South Africa, or any part of the world that you are targeting. You can select that. In this case, I'm going to be selecting United States because it's one of the tier 1 countries where you can get people who have the purchasing power to buy the product for you to make money. Once you have selected the country, you can see region. You have to select a region in the United States. So select Florida. Once that is done, you're going to select a city. Click on it. Once you click on it, select any city that you want. Once you select the city, you can see city area. Just leave it because it is not a compulsory field. Do not select it. You can see address, phone number. We are not going to enter those details. So just leave all of them. Once that is done, click on I'm not a robot. Once you click on it, click on publish. Once you click on publish, you can see your listing has been published. Your listing has been published. It is now live on the platform. You can see it right here. This is the ad. You can see the price. This is how our potential viewers are going to see before they click on our link and then purchase the product. So let me click on it. So if you want to view your ad, just click on it so that you can view more details about your ad. Once you click on it, you can see this is the ad that we just posted. You can see the title. If you want to edit it, you can see right here, edit item. If you scroll down, you see more information about your ad. You can see right now it has 0 views because you have just posted it. You can see your call to action is clickable. So people who view your ad are going to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product for you to make money. So make sure you post a lot of ads onto the platform so that you can drive a lot of traffic to your affiliate link. That is it for today's video. If you are new or you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.